Already they are waiting. It's 8 o'clock morning and my coffee already is waiting for me to come and feed them. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. You want a breakfast? Come on. You want a breakfast? Huh? Already I prepared the breakfast for you. Wait. How you been? Yeah, here's your breakfast. How you been today? Huh? How you been today? You had good sleep last night? You had good sleep last night? Have your breakfast, please. What's happening? Nice day, isn't it? Nice day. Wow. It's middle of the winter, as in Sydney is about just 18. Is around 18. Above, we are so lucky we had such a nice day, isn't it? It's getting a little bit cool inside. It's better I leave it out for you. You eat outside, okay? Let me leave it outside. Okay, baby? 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 Say hello? Say hello? Say hello? You're so busy eating. Say hello? Say hello, please? No? You're not saying hello too? Say hello? Say hello? Say hello. No? Okay. Okay, I'll leave it outside. Hang on. Leave it outside. Yeah. 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 Eat outside. It's cold. I'll have to shut the door. Okay, have a good day.